Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be opening some Pokemon packs. Yeah! I know y'all love people opening Pokemon, so oh god, I'm gonna be opening some. So like and subscribe. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this. We got 3 Pokemon cards. We got Kingambit. You can see right here. We got a Onward and a Bisharp. So we're gonna add those to my collection gladly, and we got this, which I can easily scan with my phone. So now we are gonna start opening the packs. Let's do it. Let's open these packs. More of these that I can scan with my phone. Got a basic energy. Barely don't need, so we can just throw this in the trash. A Sora. Keep that right there. And a Houndour. A Froom. A Toxicroak, Weavile, a Cassipowie or whatever the hell you say. She kind of a baddie though, if you know what I mean, boys, if you know what I mean, like and subscribe. Yes, sir, yes, sir. A Kyurem, a Kyurem. Okay, I don't know how to say his name. I don't know. Honestly, I'm a Pokemon fan, but I don't know how to say some of these Pokemon's names. Honestly, I don't know. If you agree with me, like and subscribe. Binding Machi. Okay. Slitherwing. And a Coppercha. Next pack, which is a Shrouded. All these are Shrouded Fables. I really don't like these cards. If you don't like these cards, like and subscribe if you agree, because no one likes them. But you could scan them if you want more Pokemon cards, so that would be a very nice thing. So we got a basic energy that we can just throw, you know what the word is, the trash. And I will be scanning these cards to see how much they cost, and I will post a video of how much they cost. So, yeah. So, first up, we got a Duskull. As you can see here, we got an Axew. As you can see here, very cute, adorable. We got a Golbat. We got Meowth. A Slitherwing. Another one of these baddies. Yes, sir. If you agree with me, like and subscribe. A Galva. I don't know how to say his name. But you saw it. Ooh. We got another one of these Meowths. You can throw these in the trash. Oh, a good card. A Sarura. We already have this card, but it's better. And we got a Tapu Bulu. Weird name, I know. If you agree, like and subscribe. Another sounded table. Don't worry, viewers. We are going to throw these packs in this trash can. So those aside, we got these cards, of course. And we put the power cards in front. We got a basic energy, which I don't really care about. We got a Fracture and Evolve Pokemon of Axew, which I think we have. Don't really remember, but we got Person. We got Dusclops. My time's about to go out. We got another Meowth. That's 3 in a row. Yacht. Damn, bruh. We got 3 Meowths, bruh. 3! Throw 2 of them jokers in the trash. Yes, sir. Hypno. I'm a hype. Psych, I'm not. Haha. You know what I'm hyping? Which I'm going to hype? This Crobat. Crobat. And then we're not gonna hype is this dude. I'm not trying to say the name. I don't care about the name. We got a Drowsy. We got a Haxorus. And we got a Dusknoir, which is the evolved of a card we already have. This might just be part 1 since my time's about to go out. Actually, no, it's not. I open my cards a different way than other people do. Throw those aside. Those over there. We got a basic energy, a water one. Forgot to say the elements, but I don't care. We got... Stop. We got a Zubat. My time's about to go off, so I might just do a part 2. We got a Drowsy. We got an Absol. We got a Joltik. We got Academy at Night. We got Kyurem. Probably another one. We got a Night Sketcher.